Well, hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Praise to the Man, which is a hymn for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So the first part of the song is going to go like this. C, 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 E, C, E, G, C, E, D, C, G. And yes, there's a lot of notes you got to learn here, but this was originally written for pianos and organs, not guitar. But it helps to practice this because eventually you'll catch on. And because this song has a lot of notes because it's originally written on piano and not for guitars, we're going to split the verse in half. So I want you to practice that first part I just taught you and then practice the second part of the verse that I'm going to show you right now. And it goes like this. F, A, F, E, G, E, D, C, D, E, D. So yes, it's actually going to be two different parts you're going to practice for one verse because it's going to be a lot of notes. So now I'm actually going to play the first verse so you can kind of hear what it should sound like. And it's going to sound like this. C, 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 E, C, E, G, C, E, D, C, G, F, A, F, E, G, E, D, C, D, E, D. And it helps to sing the notes while you're playing along because it can help you with practicing, and eventually you can sing the song after you learn the notes. So, because this is a longer song with a lot of notes, mainly designed for piano, you've already practiced learning the verse. Now we're going to practice learning the chorus, which is going to be a lot of notes. So we're going to break down the chorus into 3 different sections. So let's start with section 1 here. And it's going to go like this. C, 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 B, A, G, G, C, 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 B, A, G. So that's Hail to the prophet ascended to heaven. Practice those notes before going on to the next part. So the next part's going to go C, 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 B, G, D, which are the words traitors and tyrants. So there's going to be a fermata at the end, so it's going to be C, 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 B, G, D. So at that ending D note, there's a fermata. And the last part of the chorus that goes, now fight him in vain, is actually going to be C, B, G, C, A, G, F, E, D. So, yes, a lot of notes you gotta practice. It helps to get yourself a hymn book to practice all this or reference back to my video and practice it all together. It's going to take a lot of practice to learn this song because there's just too many notes to learn, and I would not recommend this song for a beginner. But practice the whole song over and over again, and then you'll eventually have it down. And now you're going to watch me play the chorus and see how I do. So it's going to sound like this. C, 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 B, A, G, G, C, 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 B, A, G, C, 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 B, G, D, C, B, G, C, A, G, F, E, D. And yes, it's a difficult song even for me that's been playing guitar for 20 years because this song has been written on the piano and I'm transferring it on the guitar. So yes, I would consider this a more advanced song to learn after you've been practicing guitar for a while, But even if you're a beginner, you can practice learning along with the sheet music. It's not that difficult, but you could easily learn it if you practice. But I would recommend watching my other videos I'm going to be making that will be more for beginners, because I'm going to be doing a lot of beginner guitar tutorials as well. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to play the guitar.